This got serious. What did it do to you when you found out he was telling you porkies?
I was devastated.
Why?
I was absolutely devastated because he's my brother. I love him. I trusted him. I expected that he had more respect for me as his older sister to at least tell me the truth.
Now, you eventually moved out, and there was a text message that you sent setting out exactly what he owed. Let's have a quick look. This is the amount of time you were here and your costs incurred whilst you were staying, etc. Now, there are two parts of your application, madam, and I'm concerned about them. The second part is for various things that you've lent him: tobacco, toiletries, skincare products, phone calls, petrol and bus tickets, right? £200. Where is the evidence of that? Where is the little book that you've kept toting up every time you've lent him £10, £20, etc.? Where is it?
I haven't got one, Judge.
What's your trust then?
Do you know for sure that you borrowed £200?
I borrowed all of those things, but I don't know how much it all came to.
I agree, sir. So how, consequently, can I be legally confident that that is the correct sum?
I trusted him.
We
I trusted my brother.
Now, that's the second problem. Your first issue is this. There are 14 weeks and 5 days' rent, £367.85. There was no formal contract between the two of you. No. Agreed? No. Sir, listen to me and answer this question carefully. Do you accept that there was an agreement for a £25 board?
Correct.
Now, let's just move on quickly, because this got bad and ugly, right, Lee? How long did you not speak to each other for?
I didn't speak to my brother for, I think it was just over a year.
Bye, Claire. Sell my stuff and watch your world fall apart. I'm quite sure my world would fall apart over a bit of cheap IKEA furniture. What did you reply? What did you reply?
Cleaner than the rest of your house, though.
The reality was that this became very, very explosive, right?
Yes, Judge.
There was one argument which was overheard, where there was a substantial threat. What happened, please?
My brother said that I was dead to him.
What did he wish her?
Dead.
I said that she was dead to me, not that I wished her dead.
It's a very painful thing to say after somebody'd done all that for you, right? You did, I have to say, a very brave and thoughtful thing, Lee, which was reach out last year in March. What did you do? You were doing a fundraiser.
I had heard from my mother and my siblings that my brother had got in touch with them and said that he'd heard that what I was doing and that he wanted to attend, but he wasn't sure if it'd be OK because we hadn't spoken in a year.
Who called who?
I called him.
What did he say?
I asked him if he would come, and he said yeah, and he did. And it was great.
And he's changed.
Yes.
Grown up a bit. You working now?
Yes.
Lee, Claire, the two of you as partners gave Kai a real opportunity. At the time you rented your property to him, you got nothing in writing. There is no enforceable contract usually between family. People rent rooms and that sort of thing, and if every time somebody who lodged in the house who was a brother, sister, aunt, etc. didn't pay, that's all courts would deal with. However, in this case, I am entirely satisfied that Kai both masked the fact he had a good deal of financial capital to pay you, and what's more, he has admitted that he owes you the £25 a week, which was beyond reasonable in terms of what he was being granted at your home. Consequently, I am perfectly able to award you the 14 weeks and 5 days he spent there, which is £367.85. The second part of your claim is unenforceable. The fact that you lent him money for tobacco, toiletries, etc. is what sisters do. You kept no log, there was no enforceable contract, and it is, I'm afraid to say, on any view, not an agreement that the courts can get involved with. The good news is that the two of you have moved forward, and I can't force you to do this. But having at least seen the fact that Kai has grown considerably in the last year, with your help and with Claire's help, I would ask you to shake hands before leaving my court. The award is £367.85. Will you do that?
Of course.
She gave you the house for free as well. Good luck to the two of you.
Thank you, Judge.
You carry on.
Lee was awarded £367.85 of her original claim. Let's find out how both parties felt about the judge's ruling.
I'm happy with the ruling, and I'm really appreciative of my brother being honest and for once, and I'm really proud of him for growing up.
I've grown up, learnt my lesson, and, you know, just pay your debts, basically. I look forward to the wedding.
Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.